Okay, hi guy, welcome again. My name is Jude Ojichaka. Um, I'm going to continue from where I stopped on the previous video, which is the introduction. So today we are going to learn how to import our clips into the software, which is the Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's dive into it. Okay, so on our screen here we are on the um, project panel, right? So on the project panel you see import media to start. Okay, this is it, import media to start. Okay, so how do you do it, or how do you import um, your clips? You can double click here in the project panel. Okay, then you locate your videos or where your files are. Okay, then you open. Okay, you click or you select. If it is multiple, you select the multiple, you open, and it will appear here. All right. Okay, so I'm canceling. There's another way, and that way is you go to file. All right, you go to import. So import, you have to select. Okay, you can even select your folder to open, or all right, just select them, open it, and it will come to your project panel. Okay, let's cancel. There's another way too. You come to your explorer, you open your explorer, you locate the folder or your clips. Let's say this, you click, you hold, you click and hold, drag and drop into the panel. All right, so you click, hold, drop it into the project panel. All right, so that's another way. Okay, so let me go to the first method, which is here. You double click. Okay, then you import, your file. Okay, so let me try and import these files. Okay, I've highlighted 4 clips. Okay, and I open. Let's see what happened. It's loading. Voila, we have our clips there. Okay, so today I'll end it here. I'll continue another episode in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel, all right, for more videos like this. Thank you.